Welcome everyone, I'm Crystal Schelle, your host for Popcorn Picks, as we preview what's playing in theaters this week. Grab a bag of popcorn, a drink, and I have a seat for you as we watch what's playing. So sit back and relax and enjoy the show.
I should have never taken that package. I'm not a drug dealer. I swear to you, Dad. You believe me, right?
Of course I believe you. This is a federal case. The mandatory minimum laws are very simple. Jason is facing 10 years in prison. 10 years?
Get down! On the ground! United States versus Jason Collins.
I believe in the mandatory minimum laws.
Please, I just want to help my son.
We need your son to help us make arrests before we can help him reduce his sentence.
Or like setting someone up? I won't do it.
What if I did it for him? What if I helped you make arrests? We have ex-cons who are working the yard all the time.
Maybe there's someone with a connection.
I'm trying to get my life in order, okay? And I'm doing that for my family.
I just need an introduction into that world.
And let's have an honest conversation as to why you in my crib.
I'm in the construction business. I don't have product or distribution. But if anyone needed transportation, I could provide that.
Sound like he ready for the game.
Your driver, he handled the situation very well. We will use that.
You got any idea who we're dealing with?
This guy's ex-Mexican paramilitary, and he runs this region for the Nuevo Leon cartel.
When you work for us, you will be treated like family. This, of course, includes your wife and your child.
This is the last stop. You complete this, and the judge, that instant, will release your son.
I love you, Jason.
You play nice with the feds, man, but what happens when everyone finds out you're an informant? They're gonna come after our families, John.
There is no way I'm gonna let either side dictate our fates. No way.
Every move that I make or I don't make, Jason will have to live with for the next 10 years of his life.
And what if you don't live?
You follow the drugs, you get players. You follow the money, you get a kingpin.
Yeah, you know that he's never coming back.
Hey, John, you sure you can pull this off?
Trust me.
You seen this woman?
I don't think so.
Stop the bus, Boston PD!
How you liking Southport?
It's definitely a change of pace.
From what?
Somewhere I don't really want to go back to.
It's usually just a pit stop for most people.
I like it here.
I'm Alex. Nice to meet you.
If I could, maybe I'd give you my world. Did you leave this outside my house last night?
It was just sitting in my shed. I see you walking every day. It's perfect for you.
I appreciate it, but I can't take it.
All right.
Why won't you let him get to know you?
I've had things happen to me in the past.
Open up, everything's waiting for you.
Did you hear about his wife? She passed away a few years ago.
Okay, maybe I overreacted.
Would you like to go canoeing with me?
Canoeing? I like to go canoeing.
You can go your own way.
Does it get better?
Just focusing on the kids. And today, with you, this feels like the first time I've looked up.
I'm happy here with you.
Yeah? Detective Tierney, do you know this woman?
Katie, he's here.
I've got to get out of here.
Just tell me the truth.
It's everything that I was afraid of. He's gonna find me.
If you're in some kind of trouble, we can fix it. Katie! I love you, and I can't let you go. There's no safer place for you than here with me.
just hate hiding all the time. Feeling like everybody's whispering about me.
Is that her? My mama says her whole family are Satanists.
I like you.
You don't know anything about me.
My family's different.
You a witch.
We prefer the term caster. When I turn 16, my parents will be claimed for either the light or the dark.
You think you can keep Lena so good, so innocent? Wasn't I the same before I was claimed? And look at what I am now.
I don't know what I'll be. I have 75 days left, Ethan.
Seraphine,
The curse has already begun.
Lena will not turn dark. She's too strong.
She's gonna be more powerful than either of us.
She will lead us all.
Don't walk.
Mortals have run things for long enough.
Lena will put an end to them.
Seraphine is the most powerful dark caster of all.
So I'm gonna be claimed for the dark no matter what.
No, you control your own nature. And loving this boy puts you in terrible danger. You'll get the both of you killed.
There's gotta be a way.
Get out! Help stop Seraphine.
Some things cannot be stopped.
It has begun.
She's already closer to the dark than I was. I want you out of here.
There's darkness in you. Don't you try and deny it.
Accept it, sweetheart. Be with me.
We can rule over a new world.
Our world.
Join us next week for another episode of Popcorn Picks.